Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, scale model of Cat's Hunter Loyal Wingman showcased. A retired Indian Air Force Captain Harshvardhan Thakur showcased a scale model of the Combat Air Training System Warrior, a loyal wingman program co-developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and the New Space Research and Technologies. The CATS Warrior is a cost-effective twin-engine teaming drone designed to operate in conjunction with existing manned fighter jets of the Indian Air Force. Next, Indian Army to adjust its towed versus mounted gun system requirements. The Indian Army is closely analyzing the evolving role of artillery gun systems in recent conflicts such as the Ukraine-Russian war and the emergence of new threats like loitering ammunition targeting artillery system. This assessment has prompted the Army to reconsider its requirement for towed versus mounted gun systems that it intends to procure. Next, IAF and Army to exchange BrahMos crews in preparation for integrated rocket force. In a significant development, the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army have initiated the exchange of BrahMos crew between their ranks of captain and major rank officer. This exchange program aims to train these officers to operate each other's BrahMos cruise missile batteries, laying the foundation for their collaboration under the upcoming integrated rocket force. Next, T-90's deployment by India forced China to bring in Type 99 MBT as per the Chinese media. Previously, the Chinese Army's deployment was influenced by the Cold War era with a primary focus on countering the Soviet Union's threat, adopting a defensive counter-attack strategy due to the perceived imbalance of power. China's main force was positioned along the Henan Mountains. But now their strategy has witnessed a shift in recent years as it adapts to the challenges presented by Sino-India border frictions. Next, from Rafale to Make in India Armory, India gets force multiplier. India has one of the largest armies in the world, and bravery and the courage of Indian Army is discussed all over the world. The country's military strength has increased rapidly in the last few years. India has received the consignment of fighter aircraft Rafale brought from France. Modern and indigenous warships like INS Vikrant and INS Mormugao are part of Indian forces. The Wagheh submarine and several missiles have also enhance the country's military capabilities. Next, ISRO begins countdown for launch of navigation satellite to maintain continuity of India's own Satnav. Scientists at the ISRO at 7:12 a.m. commenced the 27.5-hour countdown for the launch of the navigation satellite on board a GSLV rocket on May 29th, that is today. The space agency is all geared up to launch the second generation navigation satellite series, a significant launch which would ensure the continuity of NAVIC services, an Indian regional satellite navigation system similar to GPS, providing accurate and real-time navigation in India and a region extended to 1,500 kilometers around the mainland. Next, Nepal approves second hydropower project to be developed by India. Nepal on Sunday decided to allow India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited to develop a second hydropower project in the country. At present, they are developing a 900 megawatt Arun 3 hydroelectric project, a run-off river located on the Arun River in eastern Nepal, scheduled to be completed in 2024. Next, PM Modi unveils 12-step initiative in Indo-Pacific Summit for engagement with island nations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the 12-step initiative in the third forum for Indo-Pacific Island Cooperation Summit held on May 21st in Papua New Guinea. Next, in Manipur, Indian Army repairs Wainem Bridge. The Indian Army on Sunday completed the repair work of the Wainem Bridge in Manipur after it was damaged on Saturday by some unidentified miscreants. The Indian Army mentioned that miscreants had dislocated 3 panels of the bridge. Next, J&K's scenic beauty development make news as violence wanes off. After August 5, 2019, when the centre announced its decision to abrogate Jammu and Kashmir's special status and bifurcate it into 2 union territories, the Himalayan region has remained in the news for its scenic beauty and tourists thronging the union territory in droves. Times have changed and so have the reporting patterns. Terrorism-related incidents have declined during the past 3 years. Stone pelting and shutdown have become history. Thank you.